Director. My name is Khaja. I'm from Sobha Developers. Today I'm representing you our property called 25 Richmond, which is in the heart of the city, which is in Richmond Circle on a residency road. This ideally property is only for people who want to choose is for the location. It's an ideal location for people who can connect to the city from railway station to the metro station to the hospitals to the malls to the leisures for the people who wants to be in the location. This is about 7,000 square feet a land parcel for the property. There comprises of 5 apartments in this, out of which we have available right now with one apartment, about 2,770 square feet of an apartment. This is of the 3 BHK apartment it is. It comes with an high-end fittings that is provided in the property. It comes with a lift and it comes with a spacious 2 car parks that provided in the center of the city, and well connected to the hospitals like Malya hospitals, Sagar Apollo hospitals, Nimans hospitals, and so on and so forth. Then we are very close to a Kormangla as well. We are very close to Forum Mall, and talking about the Chinnaswamy Stadium that is very close to us, and MG Road, Brigade Mall, and Bangalore Central. It's very close, within about 5 minutes drive away. Why 25 Richmonds to choose this property is on a center of Bangalore, well connected to all the amenities that is required. And Sobha has shown people, even in a small space, we can craft a beautiful home. Like 5 apartments were done, it's 1 apartment is left out, so you can come and live here with a beautiful project.